If you want to automate boring tasks in Excel, like copying and pasting data from one place to another, creating reports or updating formats on your reports, the macros are going to solve these things for you in one click. Let me show you how to do this in Macros without any knowledge of programming whatsoever. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons, as it helps me and the channel. So thank you, and let's start with the video. Let's say you're receiving this data set every day or every month, and you need to do certain analysis on it and get as a result a chart. And this data set is exactly the same on every tab, just a different department. So the number of positions are different. So instead of doing this for every department every day, you can reduce the number of your steps to only one, thanks to macros. And this is how we can do it. To start recording with macros, you can click on the bottom ribbon and click on this icon. If you don't see this icon, right click on the ribbon, and then you can find it in this list, macro recording. You need to have it selected. The other way to find it is in View and then Macros, View Macros and Record Macros. The first step is to click on recording the macros. Then you can write a name of the macro. You can assign a shortcut key, let's say Q, and press OK. Now everything that you'll be doing, every click that you do will be recorded. And then once you save it as a macro, it will be repeated. So let's do one macro in a wrong way. So what I'll do here is to select this data, then click on Insert, and create a combo chart. And now I'm going to stop this macro. If I go to department number 2, and if I press Ctrl Q, this is the shortcut we placed, it will select the data and create a chart. However, the data selected is not including all the department 2 data. So how can we prevent it? Now let me show you how to do this macro in a correct way. Let's start by clicking the record button. And let's put the Q as a shortcut key and press OK. Everything that we are doing is being recorded by macro. So the first thing we will do is click on the first position. Then press and hold Shift Control, go down and go right. Release the Shift and Control, go to Insert, select Combo Chart. And now what else you can do in this combo chart is to edit data, and all of these things will be recorded in macro. So we can, for example, add some data labels. We can also change the color of this line if we want. We can change it into any color we want. We can change the transparency. We can change thickness, change styles, and so on. We can also change other elements. Let's say a legend. We can push it on the right. And let's say this is all we want to do. And then press stop recording. Okay, now that we stopped recording, let's see if it worked. We are now at department number 1, and I'll be pressing Ctrl Q. And here we go. We got the data we wanted. Does it work for department number 2? It does. I hope you liked this video and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave the comment on this topic or any other topic you would like me to cover. See you in the next one.